This is Team 2 presenting the high scrap performance. The problem right now, our pin liner performance, we have scrap of 11.4%. That is actual October performance. Based on this one, the process that we're generating the scrap is coming from the extruder. That is from the bubble break and taking the screen. Our check item, okay, our issues on the 4M is coming from our material. That is the major issue, poor regran. Based on our 11.4 high scrap, that is 4.18% coming from this issue. Our standard is 1.5, and our verification method is actual scrap and downtime resulting to the scrap based on the bubble break and screen changing. The issue on this one, the contribution on this one is 36.68% scrap generation. Then for our second item is the quality checking. For the man and machine, we don't have problem. That is on the method, this is actual check by QA and production. This is to ensure that we don't have any quality issue that will pass through our customer. The material, we don't have any problem on the material. Then 2.41% coming from this one. Then our standard is 1.5. Verification method, this is the actual quality checking both QA and production. Then the contribution is 21.2%. Third one is testing and evaluation. We don't have problem with the man, we don't have problem with the material. Our issue right now is on the machine, poor machine condition. We have issues also in the method, no standard checking, validation for the new machine. Issues from the previous machine not yet corrected to the incoming machine. Then the contribution out of 11.4, 1.69% coming from this one. Then standard is 1.5. The verification method is the actual test run with the machine during the testing. Then the contribution is 14.84%. Then the last one is our machine issues downtime. For the man, we have low skills to set up machine causing downtime. For the machine, this is broken, poor condition of the machine. For the material, we have poor spare parts. For the method, no standard condition checking for the machine and for the before detecting the issues. Then poor maintenance. Then our verification method is actual downtime record, production and ATE. Then contribution is 8.44%. Any question? For what issue?
We have standard for adjustment.
Adjustment for what?
Because man, okay, how
What issue? What issue?
I don't understand.
I
What
cannot
mean
answer
okay?
you. What issue you're talking about? For the bubble break, quality checking, testing and
Process
validation?
number 2, for example, man okay. How adjust man okay?
Quality checking, this is standard quality checking with the QA and production. So that is actual generated defect when we validate the quality of our SKU or finished product.
And how about speed to adjust control and order to machine?
We don't, the issues on our people, there is 3 years, 4 years that are already working with us. So I don't have problem with the man. The general issue right now with the bubble break, we all know that is the poor return. That's why on our black SKU, we're increasing the number of screen changing. So to prevent that to happen.
So you will give me the man cannot ask the staff.
So when you do the screen change, you will see that there is a contamination on the screen, causing us to have a bubble break.
Because sometimes we what about it?
Doesn't make sense, you know. The screen stops the contamination getting through. What's the purpose of it?
But if that is too accumulated already, that's the
How
problem.
does it get through?
The material cannot go through, that's why you have a bubble
No,
break.
you're going to go back, you get lower and lower outputs, you get less and less throughput. As the screen locks.
The screen ducts, that's why your
Your
material is
output goes
getting,
down.
your material is uneven already, that's why sometimes you're getting thinner, it's break. And sometimes you're getting the contamination passing through the screen. That's the problem right now. And that is the actual. It's not an assumption, it's an actual.